point. We got the kayaks off the car, all loaded up, ready to go. Go down the hill, put them in. Will's got his skirt on. The only issue we have right now is we have two kayaks, and we only have one kayaking paddle because the other one got left behind.
Right, some idiot.
Yeah, so we're gonna split that one paddle into two, and kind of have a canoe paddle going down in the kayaks. Yep. Altogether, we have about 13.5 mile paddle in 2 days. Shouldn't be bad. Going, sprinkling on us just slightly. There's the half the paddle. Good thing we've got a little bit of current pushing us through, so we hopefully won't have to paddle a whole lot. Will's got a skirt. I don't have a skirt, but I just got a tarp to keep the water off. It's a handy dandy tarp. Ah! One paddle! No, I'm flipping, dude. Oh, great. Shit. Go that way. Will.
I got it now.
We are in the smoke right now. That is nice. At least a 12-foot drop right there.
Alright, I'm not going.
Will.
I'm not, dude. It's all good. If Stan's worried about it, I'm definitely not going. Uh-oh. Stan's going. Need first gear.
Put it in first. Woo, I got my heart rate going too. Gotta go back across. Talk to our fisherman. Alright, here's another side of this rapid. Just crossed over. What we got here? Trout? How long did it take you to catch all that?
Where y'all from? Ringo.
Ringo, Georgia.
We old native boys right here at Kids here ever since
Yeah, it's a good.
Pretty.
It's real pretty. Oh man, she got soaked. Found my phone. Here we go. Head back out. Will's way on over there now. Alright. Probably ran, I don't know if I'll say, that's probably half a mile each way. So a mile total. My phone fell out of Will's pocket. Will is getting a campfire going. I haven't been able to help him. I'm messing with my hammock. So obviously right when I get over here try to help him, the fire will be super big. There's our hammocks. The reason Will's building a fire is because he put his hammock up in 10 minutes and I've been messing with mine for like 30. But we finally got it going. Drying off the wood, we've got it stacked up as much as we can. A good coal base, drying it off. Very important to have that. Got our steaks, absolutely soaked. Absolutely soaked. Muddy, soaked. The only thing that's not wet is underneath my jacket here. It's dry, but everything else is wet. So, I'm gonna go swimming.
Alright, sitting by the fire. Got my steak stick getting ready. The turkeys are having a battle on the ridge, it sounds like. And this idiot, we don't even know what he wants to do.
That's all my clothes are on fire.
That's all he brought, you know. He thinks it's a good time to go swimming. No. How's that feel?
Like a cold shower. Now it feels like a hot stove.
You see what Will's doing? He's fully dressed with his rain gear on. Totally dry. Got a long ways to go.
Yeah, the rain's picking up, and I think it's just going to keep on picking up. When it's going to rain like this for a while, I might pick up some water. Oh well.
Yeah. Show us your color guard skills with your paddle.
Out. Kayaks. Loading them back onto the truck. Enough to pick up my car. Good trip. I'm soaked. This rain jacket. Apparently it's a piece of crap. I don't know. Later.